This lesson deals with Supplemental Problem 2.4. You can find this problem in the course ebook in the Chapter 2 Supplemental Problems on page 5. Given this circuit where I've labeled loop 1, loop 2, loop 3, and loop 4, and labeled the voltages across all the elements, where I know 4 of these voltages, V sub A, V sub B, V sub F, and V sub H. Let's write down these values on the schematic. So this is 5 volts, this is 7 volts, this is minus 10 volts, and this is 6 volts. Now if we go around a loop where we know all but one voltage, then we can solve for that voltage. Let's take a loop at loop number 1. Start anywhere. Here I have a drop of V sub A, a rise of V sub D, and a drop of V sub B. So V sub D is equal to V sub A plus V sub B. Rise in voltage is equal to the drop of 7 and the drop of 5, which is equal to 12. It makes this 12 volts with this polarity. Likewise, if we go around loop 2, we know all but one voltage. So here's a drop of V sub F, a rise of V sub G, and a drop of V sub D. V sub D plus V sub F has to equal V sub G. 12 volts plus minus 10 has to equal V sub G. That's going to make V sub G equal to 2 volts. Let's just check that around the loop. 2 volts is equal to 12 minus 10. Likewise, back over here, we could check this one. 7 plus 5 has to equal 12. Now, I don't know 2 of the voltages in loop 3, so let's take a look at another loop here. Loop 4, I know 2 of the 3 voltages. Again, you can start anywhere. Start here and just come back to that same point. A drop of V sub G, a drop of V sub H equals a rise of V sub E. V sub E is equal to 2 volts plus 6 volts, which is 8 volts. Again, we can check that. 8 is equal to 2 plus 6. Now we know 2 of the 3 in loop number 3. Can you start anywhere? Here's a drop of V sub E, a drop of V sub C, and a rise of V sub B. 7 volts is equal to 8 volts plus V sub C. That would make V sub C equal to minus 1 volt. And let's just check that. 8 volts plus minus 1 volt, which is 7, is equal to the rise of 7. The work is shown below. Here's our loop 1, loop 2, loop 4, and loop 3. And this is Supplemental Problem 2.4.